Their speaking power that they're making their political speeches, that is also given by God.
Yeah.
At any moment it can be taken away. So they're under control. But they'll raise the point that we have our concept of God and you have your concept of God.
No. God cannot be your God or my God. God is one. You cannot say that. Just like you cannot say in the United States that your concept of president, my concept of president. The president is one. If you manufacture your concept of president, that means you do not know what is president. President of the United States, he has got a status, constitution, that this is the president. So you must know that. You cannot say, I am my concept of president. That you cannot say. Can you say that?
No.
Then the president is one. Either you don't know or I don't know. So you must know what is that president. This is the first point. What is God?
By argument, you can convince a skeptic of the possibility of the existence of God, but the reality of Godhead can only be really realized. I mean, it has to be experienced or realized, does it not?
That is a point of realization. But the first preamble is that there must be God. The Supreme Being. In the dictionary it is stated, Supreme Being. So, as in every department, everywhere, there is a Supreme Controller. Same example. The President is the Supreme Controller of this state, United States. In another state, in India also, the President is the Supreme Controller. Similarly, taking the whole universe, or many such millions of universes taken together, there must be a Supreme Being. Otherwise, how things are going on nicely. This is the first point.
Scientists say that everything had its origin with a big bang.
Huh?
All of a sudden, one day there was a big bang and everything came into being.
What is that Big Bang? You do not know. It is your suggestion. Big Bang means big brain, or what? Big Bang, what is that Big Bang?
Noise.
Don't come here. Huh?
Noise.
Noise? Big Bang, what is that Big Bang? You say?
Scientists say that in the beginning the universe wasn't created, and then all of a sudden there was a big explosion, and everything just kind of happened. Everything just came into being.
But how all of a sudden there can be explosion? What is this nonsense proposition? As soon as there is question of explosion, before the explosion takes place, there must be some arrangement. The time bomb explosion. So the bomb is prepared by something, the bomb is kept by somebody, and after some time it explodes. So how all of a sudden, where does he get this idea? Just like if there is bomb explosion here, a child may think all of a sudden there is a bomb explosion. But a sane man will not think that. There will be inquiry. Who kept this bomb? Who brought this bomb? That is sanity. And all of a sudden, explosion. This is all rascal problem. Therefore, the people have become so rascal, guided by these rascals, all of a sudden, by chance, and they accept them as scientists. This is the drawback of the present civilization. They have because they are Sudras, like animals. They have got no brain to answer how all of a sudden there can be explosion. They have no brain even to ask. Rather they are giving Nobel Prize. This rascal is speaking like a rascal, still he should get Nobel Prize. That is the defect. The people at the present moment, they are all rascals. Just like animals. And yes, actually they are animals. Just like animals are eating, sleeping, waiting and eating meat. The one animal is eating another animal. There's no discretion, nothing. This is a civilization of animals, polished animals. Their consciousness has become animalistic. Therefore this Krishna consciousness movement. They're just children, they are animals, just like animals. They have no fixed program. Whatever they like, they are doing. Whatever they like, they are speaking. Simply they are interested in eating. So at the present moment, because they have lost all their power of reasoning and understanding, they are all animals. All of a sudden there is an explosion. How an explosion can take place like that? Any sane human being will ask us, how is that? Same example. If there is some explosion in the park, a rascal will say, all of a sudden there is explosion. But the government, police department immediately inquire how this bomb came, where from, who placed it.